MediaTop's Zoom downloads in April. Dark mode on Facebook starts rolling out with brand new desktop site. Google Duo users will soon be able to make group video calls from their PC and laptops. Apple iPhone SE 2020 sale to start soon as Flipkart teaser goes live. Apple takes 62.7% share of India premium market in Q1 2020. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max first sale in India to take place on May 12. Twitter is rolling out tweet scheduling feature to some users. Microsoft launches Bing wallpapers with new backgrounds each day. YouTube gets redesigned video watch page on mobile. YouTube Music also getting new features. Microsoft launches Surface Dock 2, USB-C travel hub, and ergonomic desktop kits. Vivo IQ Z1 may launch soon with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset. The next Apple AirPods refresh will not arrive before 2021. LG Velvet is official, packs 5G, wireless charging, stylus support and more. AMD Ryzen 4000 Renoir leak hints at a seriously powerful 8-core APU. It's a really big iPhone 12 surprise, it could be even smaller than iPhone SE.